Hello everyone, I'm Bryson from ORIEMAC Machinery. Today, I have arrived at Sanhe warehouse in Shanghai to introduce you a forklift. The model of the machine is CPCD35, which is widely recognized for its excellent performance and reliable quality. It has a load capacity of 3,500 kilograms, which can meet various heavy-duty operations. Its master height is 2,180 millimeters, and the max forklifting height is 4,270 millimeters, which can adapt to the needs of various home work scenarios. It's equipped with the QUANCHAI 4C2 engine, and the rated power is 36.8 kilowatt, and the wheelbase is 1,700 millimeters. If you need this machine or accessories, please contact me at any time on WeChat or WhatsApp. Thank you.